Hello everyone, on today's IRS Tax Refund update, we will recap the latest tax refund development news, including the newest scheduled release date for the next round of tax refunds. Meanwhile, the IRS has announced this week penalty relief payments are going out to some taxpayers, so we will recap who are included, and some of the more commonly reported tax transcript codes, and reasons for those refund adjustments, as well as recapping some incorrect information being posted about the status of amended returns. With the August 24th batch of direct deposit tax refunds having already been released, the next batch of paper checks are scheduled to be mailed out on August 26th. So for those of you part of this week's paper batch, allow 7 to 10 business days for you to receive that check by mail. Meanwhile, with the latest tax transcript update having taken place, the next significant batch of direct deposit refunds is set for release on Wednesday, August 31st. Now we're continuing to be asked about the two most common tax transcript codes, which are 570 and 971. If you see these codes with the same date listed next to them, that means the IRS has resolved the issue and automatically auto-adjusted your refund with no further action necessary. However, if you see these two codes with two different dates, then that means the IRS is continuing to work on your tax return and more time is needed. For clarification, Code 570 indicates your return is under review, and it could be a result of a variety of things, including the discrepancy in wage information you entered on your tax return versus what your employer submitted to the IRS. It could also be missing information such as income not reported. Meanwhile, Code 971 will indicate the IRS has sent a notice out in regards to the issue. Now, this is important for those of you still waiting because some of you may have not received a notice but are seeing the 971 code with a recent 2022 date. So that means that notice could have been lost in the mail or just simply not sent out. And within that last notice, it very well could tell you what is the cause of that refund hold. Meanwhile, some incorrect information has been circulating in regards to amended tax returns. There have been posted circulating in the video comment sections and elsewhere on social media that the IRS will not start processing amended returns until October. That information is incorrect, and the processing of amended returns is ongoing, as confirmed by the amended refund status results as seen here. Current processing times on average for 2021 amended returns have been 4 to 5 months. The IRS has announced this week that any taxpayer who received a late filing penalty in regards to their 2019 or 2020 taxes will receive a penalty relief payment. Now, those penalty relief payments will be completed by the end of September, and if you do not owe the IRS a current balance, you will receive that back in most cases via a paper check. However, if you have an outstanding balance with the IRS, the penalty relief will be applied to that balance first. Now, one of the top reasons for those adjusted tax refunds this year has to do with child tax credits and advanced CTC payments. In a number of cases, the IRS listed the incorrect advanced CTC payments taxpayers received in notices, in turn, which were entered on those tax returns. So while the IRS will auto-adjust those refunds, this will lead to further delays even for those of you who are not claiming CTC, as millions are impacted, causing a backlog of other tax returns. Recovery rebate credits are another cause of those refund adjustments. Now, this credit is to be claimed by those who did not receive the latest stimulus payment, but in a number of cases, the IRS is reversing the credit claimed, even though the taxpayer never received such payment. So single filers will see a $1,400 reduction, while married filers will see a $2,800 reduction. And yet another reason for those refund reductions is past due obligations such as child support, state income taxes, and outstanding balances to other federal agencies. The IRS will send out a notice detailing the exact cause of that refund reduction, and you will see a 971 transcript code when such a letter is sent out. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing and when and how you filed that tax return. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.